Welcome to Rockdale Gardens. Rockdale Gardens is a park-like apartment community featuring a variety of quality amenities designed with your lifestyle in mind. Our convenient location makes commuting a breeze. Near MTA bus lines, the metro station, major shopping areas, and for the little ones, an elementary school is right next door. Our large 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartment homes feature spacious floor plans with 1 or 2 baths. Feel free to entertain with plenty of space in your large living room and separate dining room area, and enjoy relaxing afternoons or evening sunsets on your private balcony or patio. You'll enjoy preparing gourmet dinners in your renovated kitchen, fully equipped with a dishwasher, microwave, and frost-free refrigerator with ice maker. The lovely, spacious bedrooms are very well designed and offer loads of closet and storage space, and features impeccable wall-to-wall carpeting. The nice-sized bathroom is outfitted with a full-size bathtub and enhanced with colorful tiles. Come and let the stress of the day melt away with a visit to our lovely pool and sun deck. The professional staff of Rockdale Gardens is always responsive, courteous, and ready to address residents' questions and needs. Come home to a well-located, convenient, and comfortable apartment community. Come home to Rockdale Gardens.